Hello. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new vlog. Today is a Sunday. My husband and I are actually going out to the mall. But I was just gonna buy things for the week or two. Kore wana dijo. There's a month. La ka re wa avoid go di reka yang. Azanke o khona. So my husband and I are just giving in. We've been lazy all weekend. We literally did nothing but watch TV and just try to bond. So now we're just gonna buy some stuff. Yeah, I wasn't up to going anywhere like the past week because of riots, although they are not in my area, but I was just kind of feeling funny, especially because I'm like, I know, so you know that anything could happen anytime and I would be ambushed basically. But yeah, I feel safer going with my husband, though I know the same thing could happen, but I think things are getting better, or at least I'm just hoping and praying so. So yeah, please don't skip the ads as you're watching my vlog. And yeah, I don't know what this vlog holds for us, except the fact that we're gonna do my hair together. In my previous vlog, I did like my pondonyana, just to stretch out my hair because it was looking very crazy. So I haven't ordered the hair yet, but I will. Amazon usually delivers like the next day or 2 days after you've placed an order, so I'm not really worried. We'll definitely do it in this vlog. Anyways, let us go. It looks so cute. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. I'll ask my husband to take like pictures of me so I can insert them on the side so you guys can see me. The shops are closed. We go to Tesco at like 1 minute past 4 and it was closed. I don't know what about our delay. But all the shops here. Morrison, Hotel, it's like a 4. So we're just gonna tell her at the park and then we'll see. Maybe we'll go to McDonald's from here. Hi, because we actually have gone to the doing zehela and fish. Yeah, we don't have any peppers, and yeah, just a couple of stuff. Anyways. Finally made it. Guys, we're back home. So we literally only managed to go to McDonald's out of everything that we wanted to do today. But you know what, it's fine. My husband convinced me to go alone tomorrow. So I think that's what I'll do. Like, I think it'd be late like in the morning. I think because there's a nice man that we live next to, like out of everybody, he's the only man that's gonna say hi every single time he passes here. So he just passed by and saw my husband outside. like laundry, and he just stopped to say hi. Like, how nice can one be? I know we're used to that, like back home, but here people don't say hi. They actually don't care. So yeah, I was gonna say the McDonald's that we had Narajenga, the Big Mac, double Big Mac with bacon. It wasn't nice at all. It was so dry. It wasn't nice, sadly. Then my husband ordered a vanilla milkshake. You see, no taste again. Yaga mashi, akuhaya, are fresh from the cow. That's literally what the milkshake tastes like. So I carried it all the way home, or at least half of it. Then I poured my caramel syrup that I use for my coffee, and it tastes so much better. So I've just put it in the freezer for like at least 5 minutes again, and then I want to take it out and go finish it in the room while my husband and I watch something on the laptop. But yeah, that was my evening, because honestly I started this vlog at like 3:30 I think. So yeah, that's my afternoon evening. I'm just gonna crash. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I did say yesterday in my vlog that today I actually want to go out quickly to Tesco and Aldi. We have a grocery top up in every one of my vlogs, but ish, guys, can I for one? This time around I'm not even in the kitchen, but I got like some chicken, some pork, some fruits, onions, like just veggies. I actually saw Aldi has like Cornish, but I didn't buy it because it was like £11, and I'm thinking, ooh, it's a lot of money. Happy but I made that taste like as close to Coco's Chana as I expected to. But honestly, it should. Okay, maybe I'll buy it another time when I'm with my husband. With that pack porridge. Like it. That'll be very nice. Anyways, I'm back, guys. I want to make myself breakfast. It's still very morning. I literally just freshened up my face so I can go to the shop and come back, and that's exactly what I did. I actually got a taxi back home, and the man complimented my hair. He says my hair is nice. I'm thinking, dude, are you serious? Is you serious? This is everything I got, and I think in total I spent like £50. No, yeah, because I spent £3 for Tesco buying the coffee capsules, and then £47 and some change go Aldi where I got everything else. So I had actually run out of fabric softener, so I actually need to do laundry. Got some meatballs. I think I might cook spaghetti later. Got a meatball, like some pork, chicken fillets for like pasta or something, bacon. We eat this a lot in this house. Drumsticks, beetroot. I actually found the fresh one. I'm so happy. Some sweets, some cheese, Coca-Cola, sukeri, some carrots, bananas, some grapes, some nectarines. Le dinarake tse so fancy sana like any juice inside. I really hope these ones are better. I got bread, milk, cream, onions, peppers, eggs, tuna. I want to try tuna. I've never had tuna since I got here. And then the 8-pack of the vanilla Coke. Yep. Let's do some laundry and make myself breakfast. Good morning, you guys. It's another day in this vlog. My husband and I are going to Pontypridd. We're actually looking to buy a car because life is just easier for our area that we live in. So hopefully everything goes well. Anyways, let's go. We are almost at the train station and there's like 20 minutes left. That's a lot. I thought our train began 9, but it turns out it's like 9:12. Now I regret not stopping over at Costa to get my morning coffee. I really need to get like disposable cups so that when you leave the house, I can just make my coffee and have it on the road. But hurry. I wouldn't use this road, to be very honest. Kore, it's a forest. Forest. Kore, I can't even say kore anting a go toka because go bona na ga hela. It's a moon. Hey. Oh, guys. I'm tired. Whew. We managed with the car. Guys, re tsamaile. O je re tsamaile mo ile gore ha se rala di fama tsa batho gone ka bona re no ganye serious. I didn't even think we were gonna make it. But yeah, it's actually a big place, like way bigger than I would have thought. I was just saying to my husband, like, where's the garage? But we finally found it. We found the car that we were looking for, and thank goodness we like it. We did pay a deposit. We are coming to collect it in a couple of days, and I'll bring you guys with, and then we're gonna drive it back home. My husband is gonna do the driving. I'm like a passenger princess, trying to help him navigate the road. But yeah, are you happy with the purchase? Yeah. Okay, baby. I'm glad. So now we are going to Newport. I'm gonna go to Newport to just kind of look around for like people. We did the agent, the thing, estate agents, because we're looking to move to Newport, which is like a bigger area from where we are now. So yeah, at least our day started on a good note.
Take a moment to ensure you have all your personal belongings.
I'm not the way you paint the picture of me. I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, I played the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not impossible. No, we all kinda selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely. Found out who I am through you, and it turns out I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Is it my fault? Why'd you have to fall?
Let's try Nando's.
Think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. You're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even
The fries are nice.
I leave you lonely.
Chicken enza. Chicken is not giving Nando's. Like it's just chicken. Plain chicken.
Baby, not the way that you talk and the things that you say, but they make me feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl, I see you.
Sounds like a roll and miss. Until I get my hair situation sorted out. It's another cold day in Wales. So we are at a coffee shop. Honestly, it's amazing. Because there's viewing where we stay. I get all moving out. So yeah, we just thought to leave the house. What did he do?
Carrot cake?
For him.
And there's your blueprint. Enjoy.
Hey guys, welcome to another day in the vlog. I actually haven't vlogged in a minute. You guys, I had a little situation with my finger, so I was trying to cut out like beef patties to make, what was I making? Oh, degwood for my husband and I. Nandi I see her ne. Ke tshwara ka letsogane be ke re thipa. Yo thipa go hela morena wa me. It was so painful, guys. I literally cried. Like, I cried. So my husband has been taking care of my wound every day. So yesterday we just put a plaster instead of bandage. Oh, sorry guys. Somebody actually complained. Okay, not really complained. Somebody said in my previous vlog that she doesn't understand sometimes when I speak Setswana. So it's either I'm gonna write down the translation on the screen or just try to translate as I speak, because it's a bad habit that I know I have. I'm gonna have to translate. So yeah, I literally cried. It was so painful. But yeah, back home they usually use it's not a bandage, what do you call it? Okay, I'll take a picture and then I'll put it on the screen. So that's what we're using, which is so dramatic, but that's what my wound needed then. So it's fine. Yesterday we graduated to just the plaster because it's actually healing very quickly. We're very surprised about that. My husband had to go to the pharmacy and get a couple of stuff that he would use, and I'm actually very impressed at how fast this wound is healing. I think it's closing up. There's still a little bit of pain. It still feels numb, especially at the top. But yeah, I'm wearing my ring on my right finger. But yeah, today's so exciting. We are going to get the car. We're gonna get the car. I'm so excited. I did my hair. So the hair I ordered you guys, I'm gonna show you guys later on. I think later if I remember, or tomorrow. The hair I ordered is not what I expected it to be. No. My friend back home does like 4 looks. She plats 4 looks. So I was trying to order that particular hair that she uses, which is Mali hair. Did I not order Mali hair? It's so I don't know, man. It's so curly. It's not like natural hair. Like the Mali that I'm used to gives the vibe, and it gives the vibe natural hair. But this one that I ordered, I don't know. I don't think it's gonna work out. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna do braids or twists using that hair. I don't know when, if I find the time. I'd actually agreed with somebody to do my hair, but it didn't work out. She didn't manage. But she didn't manage because she's busy with work. So I don't know. If she gets the time, she'll do my hair. If she doesn't, I'm gonna have to do my hair myself. Because we're actually supposed to exchange. Like, she'll do my hair, I'll do her hair. Everybody wins. Just having my coffee before we rush out. We actually tried to book a taxi because it's raining. Well, it was raining when we booked a taxi 30 minutes ago, but the guy never responded. So my husband and I think we're just gonna walk to the train station. It's actually pretty cold. Hence why I'm wearing this jersey. I'm gonna put my brown jacket on top. I'm wearing boots and a jean. It's that cold. Like, I don't think summer is here anymore. I don't think the sun is gonna come out anymore. Let me show you guys outside so you guys can see what I'm seeing right now. This is literally an indication that it's very cold. Hope you guys can see. Yeah, it's so cold. Not me forgetting to update you guys. So we managed to go Newport to find like the house and stuff that we said we're gonna look for, the lease companies or like estate agents that we want to look for. But all of them like said it's a bit too early to look for a house because most houses are advertised when they're readily like available, like to be occupied immediately. So it's a bit early. So I think we'll try again in like 2 weeks or so. Yeah, because we still have another month. We're moving end of September. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. But I really like the place because it has more shops, has more like amenities, you know, compared to where we are. I think I did say. And then we went to Nando's. Nando's chicken, guys. Nando's chicken was so dry. I even grilled my chicken better. It was so dry. It didn't taste like Nando's that I'm used to back home. Guys, it didn't taste like Nando's, but I really, really enjoyed the fries. What do you call them? I forgot what they call them. It says 2 to 3 and they're right. My husband and I had like a full portion each with our chicken, and then we actually packed the rest to come home with. And then they had a bottomless a drink situation. I think it was like £3 per person. Yeah, obviously we couldn't drink much. Honestly, that thing is a scam. But we didn't have a choice. And then the ice cream machine, the bottomless ice cream machine was actually down. I was so sad. And it was sunny that day. Yeah, the sun did come out when we were in Newport. We were sweating. So I literally would have had like, I don't know, 2 to 3 tubs of ice cream. But it's fine. I'm definitely gonna go back for the fries too. But the chicken, how to know? We actually had Burger King. We attempted to get the same burger I got in my previous vlog, like my new favorite burger, literally. So we had a burger from Burger King, and then we went to have chicken and fries in Nando's, because I don't trust Nando's burger like that. Anyway, let me stop talking. I've been talking for way too long. The taxi guy actually responded, so we have a bit of time to kill. Let me have my coffee, finish it, and then we're gonna go get the car. It's not a brand new car, but it's a cute little one. She's cutesy. I like her with a little glass sunroof. She's cute. She's not too big, not too small. She can carry our stuff around. So yeah, it's exactly what we needed for a start here, so my husband can stop stressing about, you know, transport to work and back home. So yeah, I'm happy about that. We're at the train station waiting. We have like 20 minutes. Oh my god, this guy came very early, like 10 minutes early.
The next stop is Treforest. Thank you. We are now at Treforest.
Passenger princess of TV. One week and I'm ready. First stop. We're gonna attempt to pour diesel. These are the instructions. My baby.
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
Guys, we arrived safely at home. We didn't have like any troubles at all on the road. Yeah, we had so much anxiety, you know, driving in a new place. Just the two of us. You're not really familiar with the road or the laws and stuff like that. But yeah, man, it was great. Like, nobody hooted for us on the road. Like, nothing dramatic happened. We actually just used our GPS. And when we're finally in an area where we feel like we're familiar with, we stopped the GPS, passed by Aldi, got a couple of stuff that we need for the house, and now we're home. Like, literally, God is so good. We are so grateful. It's such a blessing, you know, to be in. So yeah, praise the Lord. Hallelujah. Amen. Woo! Guys, it's so windy. It is so windy. At least the sun is out now, but it's still so windy. And yeah, let's go make something to eat. Can't wait. Yeah. Okay, baby. Yeah, go. yeah, we don't have any money now, obviously, because we just made a big purchase, but we're happy, we're good, we're gonna survive. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later or tomorrow, we'll see. Guys, I want us to try something in bed because it's so cold outside. So literally, I'm right here, just wearing a fleece, and I thought, sorry Tapang, and Tapang said I should try different flavors of Fanta. I will. We don't have one right now, but I'm gonna do that later, like just before I close the vlog. But I actually want to close the vlog now because the lighting is good, and then I know later on the lighting is not going to be as good as now, but we are going to continue with the vlog. Yeah, we're going to post it tomorrow, so I still have a couple of hours. So I don't know where to put my phone. Let me try something. We have Cheetos. I only see like the American girls talking about Cheetos, literally. So we're gonna try them. These are the Twisted Sweet and Spicy. My memory kept me. So I was saying these are the Twisted Sweet and Spicy Flaming Hot Flavor Corn Puffs. So that's what they call them. Okay, they look cute. Let me show you. Twisted. This is a weird angle. There we go. So big. They're nice. They kind of remind me of the cheese puffs that we have back home, but they have a little bit of that, you know, sweetness to them, and then a little bit of chili will follow, like really at the end. I like them. I really do. It's supposed to be a big pack though, but I swear there's less than 15 here. And maybe it's because they're twisted and they're long. It's a 65 grams packet. Very interesting. I want to save some of these for my husband though. He would be so mad. Because last night he wanted to have them and I'm like, dude, the lighting is not good and I need to give a review for my girls and guys on this channel. So yeah, I'd literally rate them like a 9 out of 10. I really like them. I'd buy them again. Actually, I'm gonna buy them again. Love them. I had to come downstairs because I literally just remembered I said I was gonna show you guys the hair that I ordered. I never did. So it's 3 packs of this. Came with a crochet needle, at least. So guys, this is the hair. Like this is actually like 1 packet and there's only 3. Like this is not gonna be enough for... There's literally only like 6 strands in this. So 6, 12, 18. So literally means whatever I'm gonna do has to be 18. Let's see, 18 blocks on my head. At least the stretches. But do you see the texture I was talking about? It's not like your regular Mali hair that you know, or Afro kinky hair, whatever you call it, Mali or Afro kinky. So I might just attempt to do like braids on myself or twist. I don't know. You guys can please recommend something that I can plait myself using this hair. I don't want anything complicated, really. But yeah, I still have this puff still holding me down a little bit. I actually really love that gel that I bought the other day. I think I did show you guys in my vlog. I think it's two vlogs down. Yeah, really like that hair wax. That's what they call it. Literally a little bit goes a long way. So yeah, I just want to go pour coke for myself. I'm gonna go back to the room. I just thought let me come to good lighting on a tripod to show you guys the hair as I promised. Waiting for my husband to knock off. We're actually gonna go to McDonald's. I know I complain about McDonald's on every vlog, but I still continue to go there. It's literally, I want to say, the only fast food restaurant we have in our area, you know. So we're just gonna do that in our little car. Have a cute little date. Very demure, very cutesy. Also, you guys, I wanted to say something quick before my memory goes out. I discovered this thing on Shein today on TikTok. So basically, you create, if you go on a Shein app and search like free gifts, that's what I did in my regular Shein app. I saw that, created like something, and then I said, okay, I had to click on like 10 items that I wanted to get for free. I did that, and then it asked me to invite friends. So I sent it to my husband's phone. And then instead I should download the app on my husband's phone. I did that and I logged in onto the Shein app with a brand new email address, like my mom's. Then they're gonna gift her like that link automatically gives her like 4 free items, but she has to purchase 1. So basically it was me doing that. So I paid for 1 item and then I got 4 items for free. But they're only going to deliver in like 7 to 8 days. The shipping is free. The 4 items are completely free. So I literally paid like £10 for a jersey. And I could have made that like £1, getting like our home stuff. I just didn't know because it gave me only 6 minutes to pick things that I want from the link. So I felt a bit under pressure. I chose things like very quick without thinking it through. I didn't even get anything from my husband. She get it. But yeah, when my husband knocks off, I want to try again with a different email address. So at this point, I might have to ask my family, everybody in my family, to log in and give me that stuff. So apparently it doesn't work because I saw the video I saw in was a Nigerian lady and a lot of people were saying it doesn't work in Nigeria. I sent it to a friend of mine in Botswana who couldn't do it as well. So I'm assuming it doesn't work in Botswana. Hadi. But if you are in like Europe, I assume, please try that. Just get on TikTok and search Shein buy 1 get 4 free. Literally the girls will explain everything there if I didn't explain it better, if you're somebody who actually wants to try it. So I can't wait for my Shein order next week. £10 for 5 items. I think the total was literally like 70 something pounds. Honestly, yeah, I really like the stuff that I got. I'm excited for like mostly for 2 stuff that I got, but I'm happy to receive anything for free, darling. Anyways, let's go get Coke. I'll see you guys later when I am with my husband, and then we can try out a Coke. I think I want to try the Coke, pineapple and grapefruit. Yeah.
Baby, not the way that you talk and the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine. Baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle. And you they blow my mind from my mind to go. And I don't go lie. You like to
Love to break.
We decided to dine in. So let's go. This came looking so raggedy because I thought we're gonna have a meal in the car, but somebody decided let's just get in.
You didn't know what you wanted.
No, if I wanted to look at the menu like everybody does before driving through.
Not me.
Really? Okay.
Just get
How do you know? Trying out a new flavor. We asked for extra mayo because the burgers here tend to be very dry. Mine is supposed to have like a barbecue sauce, but honestly they just put a little bit on the bread and that's it. Hey, but it's not bad. It's honestly not bad. The chicken tastes like real chicken. Huh?
No,
bacon, especially in that burger. Outside the box. Like, why is the bacon outside the box and not inside the burger? Yeah, they could just fold it and put it nicely on the bread. But yeah, that's it. How is it though? Taste wise?
Now that it's in the
It's better.
It's succulent.
Okay. I'm having a Fanta orange. I thought let me just give you guys a review of this one. First of all, it looks so much lighter than the Fanta we have back home. Like, it literally looks like orange squash with an oros that has been diluted. Looks like that. In terms of taste, honestly don't know what it tastes like, but it tastes like, I want to say like the original Fanta that we have back home with lots of ice that they eventually melt in it. So like a diluted Fanta orange with a dash of lemon. I hope that makes sense. That's literally what it tastes like. I couldn't have it at first when I came here, but I sometimes just order it, especially in these fast food restaurants, because we usually have Coke back home, and I just think it doesn't make sense to have Coke at home and then come have Coke here. So honestly, it's the only reason why I have it. I'm not really a big fan, but I think my taste buds are adjusting to having this. Guys, we have come to the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you did watch till the end, I really truly appreciate it. And yeah, I hope you guys did not skip the ads. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I will definitely see you guys next week in another vlog. Bye.